Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Channel 2 English Refined, where English can improve your learning every day. Today, I am here with Sophia, and today we are going to talk about these small, simple things that bring joy to our everyday lives.
Hi, Tom. It is wonderful to be here in the studio with you today. And hello to all our amazing listeners wherever you are in the world.
Hey, everyone, welcome back. I have a question for you. What made you smile today? Was it your morning coffee, a song you love, maybe just the feeling of clean bed sheets? These tiny, beautiful moments, we call them small joys. And today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to talk about them in natural, everyday English. By the end of this video, you'll have real expressions, real vocabulary, and real conversations that native speakers actually use. So let's get into it.
I am enjoying a warm cup of coffee right now, Tom, and it is making me feel so incredibly happy.
That sounds absolutely perfect. It is amazing how a simple warm drink can make a whole morning feel better and more peaceful.
It really is. Today, we are talking about these small, simple things that bring joy to our everyday lives.
Yes, these are little moments that we can all enjoy without spending any money. Let's start with our morning drinks.
Great idea. When you enjoy your morning coffee or tea, you can say, "This coffee hits the spot." It means it's exactly what you needed at that moment. That is a wonderful phrase to practice.
Let's start with some of the most natural expressions. These are phrases you'll actually hear in real conversations. Our first phrase is, "It made my day." This means something small happened and it made you feel really happy for the whole day. For example, my coworker brought me coffee this morning. It literally made my day. Or, my dog ran to the door when I came home. Honestly, it made my day. You can also say, "That totally made my day," for even more emphasis.
Listening to music is one of my favorite ways to relax after a busy day.
I feel the same way. If music helps you relax, you can say, "Music helps me unwind." It means it helps you feel calm and relaxed.
That's a very useful phrase. Informally, you can say, "I just want to chill and listen to some music."
Formally, you can say, "Listening to music allows me to reduce stress and clear my mind." Next, let's learn a very useful phrase. I needed that.
That sounds simple, but it has a nice meaning.
Yes, it does. You use it when something feels comforting, refreshing, or satisfying.
Sometimes you do not even realize how much you needed it until it happens.
Exactly. For example, you can say, "I just took a long walk outside. I really needed that."
That's a great example.
Or after laughing with a friend, you might say, "That was so funny. I needed that today."
I like that phrase. It shows the moment was more than just enjoyable.
Right, it means that small joy was important to you at that moment.
Here's another common expression. It's the little things.
I hear that phrase a lot.
It means the small and simple things in life are often the most meaningful.
For example, you could say, "Look at this sunset. It's the little things, honestly."
That's beautiful.
Or, "My tea was perfect this morning." It's the little things that make life good.
I really like that idea.
Me too. It's a wonderful phrase to use when talking about simple happiness.
Let's learn another natural expression.
Great, what is it?
There's nothing like a good blank.
Oh, that's very useful.
You simply fill in the blank with something you enjoy.
For example, there's nothing like a good cup of tea after work.
Or there's nothing like a good book on a rainy day.
Here's another one. There's nothing like a good sleep when you're exhausted.
Excellent example.
This phrase means that thing is the best. Nothing else compares to it.
Exactly. Think about your favorite small joy and try using this phrase.
Let's move on to another wonderful expression.
Sure.
The phrase is, "I live for these moments."
I love that phrase.
It means a certain experience makes you feel truly happy and alive.
Can you give us an example?
Of course, sitting by the window in the morning with coffee and silence. I live for these moments.
That sounds very peaceful.
Another example is Sunday afternoons with no plans. I genuinely live for this.
That's a perfect use of the phrase.
It shows that these moments are some of your favorite parts of life.
Now, let's look at some idioms for happiness.
Great idea.
Idioms are expressions with meanings that are not always obvious from the words themselves.
But once you learn them, they can make your English sound more natural.
Our first idiom is over the moon.
What does that mean?
It means extremely happy.
Can you give an example?
Sure, she was over the moon when she got the job.
That's a very common expression. What's the next idiom?
On cloud nine.
I have heard that one before.
It means being in a state of pure happiness or bliss.
For example, after that holiday, I was on cloud 9 for days.
Exactly. Another fun idiom is happy as a clam.
That's an interesting expression.
It means feeling quietly content and comfortable.
Such as, he was happy as a clam reading his book all afternoon.
Perfect example.
What's next?
Tickled pink.
What does that mean?
It means delighted and very pleased.
For example, she was tickled pink when her friends surprised her.
Exactly right. Our final idiom today is in seventh heaven.
I like the sound of that one.
It means perfectly happy, almost like floating in joy.
For example, fresh bread, good coffee, a sunny day. I'm in seventh heaven.
That sounds wonderful.
These idioms are a great way to talk about happiness in English.
I agree.
Try using one of them in your next conversation.
The more you practice, the more natural they will feel.
And remember, sometimes it's the little things that make life beautiful.
Talk about having free time to relax.
That sounds great.
After working hard all week, doing absolutely nothing can feel fantastic.
I completely agree. I love doing nothing sometimes.
Casually, you can say, I'm just chilling at home today.
That's a very common expression.
Yes, the word chilling means relaxing completely.
Many young people use that phrase every day.
A more formal option is, I am spending my leisure time unwinding.
That's a useful phrase. What does unwinding mean?
It means releasing stress and relaxing after a busy day.
That sounds so peaceful.
You can also say, I finally have some free time to relax and recharge.
I like that expression.
The word recharge means getting your energy back.
That's a very useful word for English learners. And during that free time, eating your favorite food can make it even better.
Oh, absolutely. Food brings people so much happiness.
I couldn't agree more.
When you take the first bite of a delicious meal, you can say, this hits the spot.
That's a fantastic phrase.
We used it earlier for coffee, but it works for food too.
Good to know.
Another simple phrase is, this meal is absolutely delicious.
That's clear, natural, and easy to remember.
If you want to sound more formal, you can say, this dish is exquisitely prepared.
That sounds very elegant.
It does, but honestly, I usually just say, this food is amazing.
And that's perfectly natural too. Another exciting thing in life is traveling to new places.
Yes, exploring a new city or a different country can be unforgettable.
I love traveling whenever I get the chance.
Informally, you can say, I'm going on a trip to a new place.
That's simple and easy for everyone to understand.
Exactly. If you want to sound more formal, you can say, I love exploring new destinations.
I like the word destinations.
It's a great word for places you travel to.
Very useful for speaking and writing.
You can also say, I'm traveling to discover new cultures.
That sounds adventurous and exciting.
It really does. Traveling helps us learn about the world and meet new people.
And it creates memories that last a lifetime.
Speaking of happiness, let's talk about something simple but powerful.
What's that?
Clean spaces and feeling spotless.
Oh, that's a good topic.
Have you ever cleaned your room and immediately felt better?
Yes, all the time.
A clean space can help you feel calm and organized.
I completely agree.
After cleaning, you might say, everything feels fresh and tidy.
That's a useful phrase.
Or, I love how clean everything looks.
That sounds natural and positive.
And after taking a shower, many people say, I feel fresh and refreshed.
That's one of my favorite feelings.
Mine too. Sometimes the simplest things bring the most happiness.
And whether you're traveling, relaxing, or simply enjoying a clean space, receiving a compliment can make your day even better.
That's true. A kind word from someone can instantly put a smile on your face.
Compliments may be small, but they can have a big impact.
Absolutely. Sometimes a few kind words are all we need.
Before we finish, let's review 7 key vocabulary words for today's topic.
Great idea. These are useful words you can use to talk about small joys in English.
Our first word is cozy.
Cozy means warm, comfortable, and relaxing.
Here's an example. I love cozy Sunday mornings.
That's a perfect example. A cozy blanket, a warm drink, and a quiet morning can feel wonderful.
Our second word is bliss.
Bliss means perfect happiness.
For example, a warm bath after a long day is pure bliss.
I love that expression. It sounds very peaceful.
Next, we have wholesome.
Wholesome means pure, positive, and heartwarming.
Here's an example. It was such a wholesome moment.
Maybe spending time with family or helping a friend.
Exactly. Those moments often feel wholesome.
Our fourth word is refreshing.
Refreshing means something that gives you energy or makes you feel renewed.
For example, that walk was really refreshing.
Fresh air and sunshine can be very refreshing. The next word is content.
Content means peacefully satisfied and happy with what you have.
Here's an example. I feel completely content right now.
It's a calm kind of happiness.
Yes, not excited happiness, but peaceful happiness.
Our sixth word is grateful.
Grateful means thankful for the good things in your life.
For example, I'm so grateful for small moments.
Practicing gratitude can help us notice more happiness around us. And our final word is uplifting.
Uplifting means something that makes you feel positive and happy.
Here's an example. That song is so uplifting.
Music, kind words, and good news can all be uplifting.
That's absolutely true.
All right, it's time for today's speaking challenge.
We have a fun question for all our listeners.
In the comments below, tell us.
What is one small joy you experienced this week?
Try to use at least one expression or vocabulary word from today's conversation.
For example, you could write,
I had the most delicious lunch today. What really made my day?
that's a great answer.
We would love to read your comments.
Yes, we read every single one.
And remember, happiness doesn't always come from big moments.
Sometimes it's a warm cup of tea,
Sometimes it's your favorite song playing at the perfect time.
or a quiet and peaceful morning.
The little things can make a big difference.
And now you have many useful English words and expressions to talk about those moments.
We hope today's conversation helped you improve your English.
Thank you so much for listening.
We really enjoyed spending this time with you.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share it with a friend who's learning English.
We'll see you in the next video.
Take care and keep practicing English every day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.